In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BSOD after updates in Windows 11. Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Windows Update. In the main panel, click Update History. Here, Windows shows the updates that were recently installed, including their KB numbers and the dates they were installed. Scroll down to the Related Settings section, then click Uninstall Updates. Find the update that was installed right before the blue screen issue started, and match it by the install date. When you find that update, click Uninstall next to it. A confirmation prompt appears, so click Uninstall again. Now go back to Settings, then Windows Update by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner. On the Windows Update page, click Pause for 1 week, or open the drop-down next to it and choose a longer pause if that option is shown. This stops the same update from installing again automatically while you wait for a corrected version. Next, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Press the Windows key plus I again to open Settings. Click System in the left sidebar. In the main panel, click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Under the Most Frequent section, find Windows Update and click Run next to it. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. The troubleshooter checks for common update-related problems and applies repairs automatically. When it finishes, it shows a summary of what it found and what it fixed. Now move on to repairing system files. Right-click the Windows button on the taskbar, then click Terminal Admin. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. At this point, copy the command shown on your screen, or pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Then press Enter. Wait while the process runs. This can take a few minutes. You will see progress during the scan, and when it finishes, it reports that the restore operation completed. This DISM process repairs the Windows system image so the next scan has clean source files available. After that, type the next command carefully. Type SFC, then a space, then /scannow, and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This checks all protected system files and repairs corrupted ones when possible. It also takes a few minutes, and the window shows a progress percentage as it runs. When the scan is done, it reports whether it found any issues and whether those issues were repaired. Next, check the graphics driver. Right-click the Start button on the taskbar at the bottom center. In the context menu, click Device Manager. In Device Manager, click the arrow next to Display Add Chapters to expand that section. Right-click your graphics card, then click Update Driver. In the next window, click Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, follow the prompts to install it. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, continue with the rollback process. Right-click the same graphics card again under Display Add Chapters, then click Properties. In the Properties window, click the Driver tab at the top. Click Rollback Driver. If that button is grayed out, there is no previous driver version available, so skip this part. If the button is available, click it, select a reason in the prompt, and then click Yes. Rolling back restores the earlier driver version from before the update. Restart your PC after completing this. After applying the fix that matches your situation, Windows should boot and run without triggering a blue screen. If the issue started immediately after a specific update, uninstalling that update is usually the fastest solution. The system file repair steps help when the update damaged core Windows files, and the driver steps address conflicts that can appear after an update changes how hardware is handled. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.